students, now let us see matrix inversion method. This method can be applied only by when a constant coefficient matrix is a square matrix and non-singular. Consider the matrix equation Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. This is known as the coefficient matrix. This is the matrix B. We have to find A inverse means, suppose if it is non-singular, A inverse exists, that time only we can find the inverse of the matrix. See, A inverse, A is the determinant of A is not equal to 0. A inverse exists means, what is the definition? By definition, is equal to In. Suppose if you are going to pre-multiplying with this A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse B. This A inverse into A, it will come identity. So this is 1. This is 1 is equal to x into A inverse B. So this is the method to find the inverses of the given matrix by using matrix inversion method. Okay, now we are going to see example 1.22. They have given linear equations. Solve the following system of linear equations using matrix inversion method. What is it? 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. The matrix form of the system is, what is that? Ax is equal to B. We got a linear equation. We have to change to this form, isn't it? For that, we can be written the given form A is equal to 5, 2, 3, 2. X is equal to xy. Why? Because they have given x and y. B is equal to 3, 5. This is the form. So we have to find the inverse. So first, x is equal to A inverse B. So we have to find A inverse now. This is the A matrix. We want to find the A inverse means first we have to find the determinant value. To find the determinant value of A, 5 into 2, 10 minus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 4 is equal to non-zero. So A is a singular. Correct? If it is 0, A is a singular. But here A not equal to 0. So A is a non-singular. A inverse exists. We have to find RGA. RGA means by 2 means we have to interchange this element of diagonal column and the sign of the subdiagonal. Okay. Now I am going to write, see, x is equal to A inverse B. A inverse you just find here. What is that? 1 by determinant of A, 4. Then what is that A? RGA we found now 2 minus 2 minus 3 5. Apply here. Instead of A inverse, I am going to apply this value 2 minus 2 minus 3 5 into B 3 5. Usual matrix multiplication. You just keep this 1 by 4 as it is. 2 into 3 6 minus into plus minus 2 into 5 10 minus 9 plus 25 minus 4 16. So we have to divide this matrix by 4, minus 4 by 4, 16 by 4, minus 1, 4. We just substitute the value of x, minus 1, minus 5 plus 8, minus 5 plus 4, 2 into 4, 8 is equal to 3, 5 minus 3, 3 is equal to 3. This is the verification. Suppose if it is not tally, so the finding answer of x and y is not correct. So when we are finding the value of x and y, we have to verify with the given linear equation. Okay, that time we can get a correct value of x and y. This is the method to find the inverse by using the matrix inversion method. Okay, thank you students.